Okay guys, diya kita karon sa gym. May kayon karon gabi unang sa torneo sa basketball. Di ang nagsangka mao ang barangay Yupisan o ang barangay San Isidro. Mo ni makita na to karon. Dire sa lungsod sa Pamplona. Mo kini karon.
14 seconds to shoot again. Remaining time 7 minutes and 23 seconds. Set number 55, pull up Jane Novit. Rebound by Tabangan. Tabangan looking for some pass from their Sugasal. Foul Mr. Ignatius. It's a pushing foul. Okay, ball position now. Yupisan. And the second by Lara. Lara to number 55 easily up. Score now 34-32. 2-point lead and the second again by Sid. Number 55 Sid for 2. No good. Rebound by Jesus. No good again. Sid no good again. And Lara. Lara for 2. There's the whistle. Foul number 1. Simple. Okay, those are 2 shots awarded for Lara. First round basket count. Remaining time 6 minutes and 53 seconds to the third quarter.
Romas!
Bola sa Yupisan.
Tagsa!
Okay, last go. Basket count for the represent free throw by
Dubulin!
okay, rebound Sumilin nagbuhat looking for Sumilin pass to Bandado. Easy basket. Score now 34-36, 2-point lead by San Isidro. Okay, we go say it again, number 55 attack. Easy basket. Is the best. Okay, we go say 1. Sumilin again. Guided by Sid. Pass to Ragas. Ragas looking for Sumilin pass to Ragas to Lopez. Lopez now pass for 3. No good. Rebound by Sumilin. Sumilin to Bandado. Bandado for 3. No good again. Rebound again by Sumilin. Easy basket. Score now 36-38. 2-point lead by San Isidro. We can say it again, number 55 looking for somebody to pass Sid. Grab pass, but then the second by Ragas. What a move by Ragas. Ragas for 3, no win. Rebound by Lopez. Easy basket. Score now iguales 38. 5 minutes and 30 seconds in time for the third quarter. Number 55 against it. Pass to Jesus, but the ball is out of bounds. Okay, substitution. 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Takin, please, takin.
Barangay San Isidro, Barangay Yupisan, ang tigi karon sa inter barangay nalipay kayo.
Attack, Alatay Isidro. Score now 40-38. 2-point lead by Yupisan. Number 2 and the second by Ragas. Here comes Ragas now. Ragas. Layup. Easy basket. Score now 42-28. 4-point lead by Yupisan. Okay, here comes number 2. Pass to Lara. Lara pass for 3. No good. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 12. Number 12. No good. 5 seconds to shoot. Okay, rebound by Sumbilin. Sumbilin looking for somebody to pass. Pass to Tabangan. Okay, he goes to Tabangan again. Tabangan. 15 to shoot. And the second by number 12. 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Number 12, Madrina. No good again. Di ba Lara? Lara putak. No good again. And the second again by Sumbilin. Sumbilin now looking for somebody to pass. Sumbilin to Baldado. Baldado to Lopez. Lopez now for three. No good. Rebound by Mr. Ronald. Mr. Ronald.
Sapatos man siya.
Pass to number 2. Pull up chain. No good again. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez to Ragas. Okay, it was Ragas now. Ragas for three. No good. Rebound by Mr. Ronald again. Okay, it was Lara for 2, no good, rebound by Lopez. Lopez with the ball, red card, 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Lopez looking for somebody to pass. Lopez to Ragas to Sumbilin now, looking for somebody to pass. 15 seconds to shoot, pass to Baldado, 10 seconds to shoot. Baldado to Ragas, 8 seconds to shoot. Tabangan 5 seconds to shoot. Tabangan again for 2, no good, rebound by Mr. Knight. Okay, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Lara, Black.